Welcome to the simulation. The alarm rings. It's 6 a.m.
Step 1. The commute. Transporting your tired meat suit in a metal tube with strangers who hate their lives just as much as you do. You arrive at the wage cage, a place designed to extract maximum energy in exchange for minimum bananas.
Sit. Repeat. For 8 hours, you pretend to work, and they pretend to pay you. This is the modern jungle.
Meet the boss! He needs that report entirely redone by yesterday. Why? Because he said so. Do not ask questions, monkey.
They call it a career. I call it an open-air prison, where the inmates politely guard themselves.
But then, the golden moment arrives.
Payday!
For 5 minutes, you feel rich. And it's gone! Before the money hits your account, the system has already taken its pound of flesh.
Congratulations. You worked 160 hours this month to keep $200 for yourself. Don't spend it all in one place, champ.
This is the rat race. You run faster and faster, sweating bullets, but the scenery never changes. You never actually move.
Why do you do it? Because they convinced you that happiness is just one more purchase away. Buy now, suffer later.
Debt is the modern slavery chain. It is invisible, but it keeps you locked to that desk heavier than any iron.
You live for the weekend. 2 days of freedom to recover, just so you have enough energy to do it all over again on Monday.
The deal is simple. Give us your best years, your energy, and your dreams. In return, you get freedom when you are too old to enjoy it.
Retirement, the magical time when you finally have money and time, but your knees don't work anymore. Sounds like a great deal.
So you go back to the tube. You accept the grind. Because what else are you gonna do? Starve?
The most dangerous addiction isn't drugs. It is the monthly salary. It makes you forget your dreams for steady peanuts.
You traded the uncertainty of the jungle for the safety of the cage. You are safe, fed, and completely owned.
Is this it? Is this the life you dreamed of when you were a little monkey? Trading your life for spreadsheets?
No, there must be another way. The cage door isn't locked. You just have to realize you are in one.
You have a choice. Take the blue pill, go back to your desk and wake up at 60 with nothing. Or take the red pill and learn how money actually works.
Step 1. Change your brain. While others watch Netflix and rot, you must study. Rich monkeys build libraries, poor monkeys build playlists.
You must learn the difference. A liability takes money out of your pocket. An asset puts money in your pocket. Stop buying liabilities.
Stop trying to look rich. That expensive belt won't make you free. It just shows everyone you are a good servant to the system. Be cheap now, be free later.
The first dollar you make online changes everything. It's small, but it's yours. No boss gave it to you. You hunted it yourself.
This is compound interest. At first, the results are tiny. But if you keep pushing, the snowball grows until it becomes an avalanche that nothing can stop. Step 3. Invest. Don't save cash. It melts. Plant your money. Buy stocks, buy gold, buy...
The goal is simple. Make money while you sleep. If you don't find a way to do this, you will work until you die. Suddenly, the job feels different. You aren't scared of the boss anymore. Why? Because you have FU money.
Warning! Do not fall for shortcuts. There is no magic button. If someone promises you 1,000% returns overnight...
The boring path works. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Repeat for 10 years. It's not sexy, but it makes you a millionaire.
You will lose friends. They will call you boring. They will say, you work too much. Ignore them. You are playing a different game.
5 years later, they are still complaining about the economy. You? You just fired your boss. Who is the crazy one now?
Wealth isn't just numbers. It's confidence. It's knowing that no matter what happens to the economy, you have the skills to survive.
The day you quit isn't dramatic. You don't flip a table. You just hand in the paper, smile, and walk out.
Real wealth is time. It's sitting on a bench on a Tuesday morning with nowhere to be. That is the ultimate luxury money can buy.
When you own your time, every day is Saturday. You don't hate Mondays anymore.
You only hate wasting time.
And once you make it, don't hoard it. Teach others. Break the chain of poverty for your family. Be the first rich monkey in your tree.
The cage is open. The path is clear. But you have to take the first step. Stop running